Hey everyone, I'm Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager for Microsoft Fabric. In this video, we have some great demos for reporting. We'll learn how visual calculations received a helpful update this month by adding column highlights, and how data annotations in Power BI help highlight key insights in data presentations and can lead to better storytelling for PowerPoint. Let's check out these demos. Jay, you're up.
In this demo, I will be showing annotations. This is a new feature we just added to Power BI integration in PowerPoint. Annotations is an essential tool for data storytelling that enhances data comprehension by providing additional context and clarity. Annotations added to your data visualization as part of a business presentation can help you tell a compelling narrative by drawing attention to key insights and facilitating a deeper understanding of the presented information. Through annotations, data becomes more accessible and understandable, enabling the audience to grasp complex concepts quickly. Whether it's emphasizing a critical trend, explaining an anomaly, or providing supplementary information, annotations bridge the gap between data and its interpretation. Let's dive in and discover how annotations can elevate your data storytelling. First, I need a visualization that I can add to my presentation. For that, I need to go to Power BI, select the desired visual, and get a link to it. I will use that link in the Power BI add-in that I already added to the slide. Now I can enhance the visualization with more context by adding annotations to it. Let's say that I want to add some additional information on those opportunities that I already submitted proposals for. For that, I right-click on the bar that represents the opportunities in the proposal stage and choose Annotate. This creates an annotation that is connected to this bar, and I can just start typing the content I want to highlight, which is related to this data. I can add to the text I am typing values that derived from the data point. Using the / key opens a list of options I can use as connected value. You can see here both the dimensions and the measure names of their values. And of course, I can update the layout of the annotation on the canvas and style of the text if I need to. A visual can have more than one annotation, of course, so let's create another one, this time regarding the new leads my team is tracking. By default, the annotations are connected to the data point, so as long as the data point is visible in the visual, then annotation is visible as well. When I filter out a data point, the annotation will be filtered out. But by bringing back the data point brings back the annotation, so it is not deleted or lost. There are cases that even though I added annotations, I actually want to hide them completely. For that, I have this action in the footer. You can see that there is a green dot giving me or others I share this presentation with a hint that there are hidden annotations in the visual. And lastly, annotations are also there when I am presenting my PowerPoint presentation to my audience, helping me to deliver great data story and clarity.
Visual calculations receive a helpful update this month. When you're editing your visual calculations, you will see highlights in the visual matrix appearing as you refer to columns. This makes it easier to see which columns you're working with. Here I'm adding a visual calculation to calculate the running sum of sales amount, restarting for every fiscal year. And as soon as I refer to sales amount, the first highlight appears. And when I add the reset for fiscal year, it's highlighted as well. Also notice that the text color in the formula bar reflects the color of the highlight, making this an experience that is very similar to Excel. Also, you can toggle the highlights off and on using the special button that we've added to the right of the formula bar. We're working on more tools to make visual calculations even easier to use, so stay tuned.
Wow, those were some fantastic demos. I'd love to hear what stood out to you the most. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And hey, is there a particular demo you'd like us to tackle next month? Let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest content. See you next month.